I always work my way backwards from what the values you have are as a company. So if your intention is to support people's health, then you want to support people's health. Now, that can look like a lot of different things. Some people have this question around conventional or organic. And also, I should say, in a broad spectrum, to support someone's health can look different for different people. Because that's a broad idea. What does it mean to be healthy and what's going to support someone being healthy? Some people have the philosophy that offering coffee is sometimes a bridge to get people into the store to help them buy other things. That might be juices and smoothies later on and go on juice fasts and otherwise. Some people purely do it as a monetary decision, saying, we know coffee has a lot of demand, happy to serve it, that's why I do it. Me personally, my own businesses, I never did it because I didn't feel the need to, and I know that coffee is quite acidic, people don't need to be on it, and if I could get someone on an alternative to coffee, that was my objective. Especially being in a city where there are plenty of coffee shops, I didn't really feel the need that I needed to compete with them, and I didn't really want to water down my brand intention. Now, that was my perspective on it. Now, does that mean that that has to be your perspective? No.